For over a decade, we've been passionate about barbecuing and have put numerous grill cleaners to the test. Our extensive experience has led us to try a wide array of products, each promising to be the best grill cleaner on the market. After countless cleaning sessions and thorough evaluations, we've carefully curated our top 5 picks for the best grill cleaners. In this roundup, we'll share our honest insights, highlighting what we loved and what fell short for each product. There are many grill cleaners to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best grill cleaner from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish is the low-wing stainless steel cleaning brand, trusted for its ability to care for delicate and difficult surfaces in your home. This value bundle includes 2 12-Oz bottles of cleaner and a reusable microfiber buffing towel. The PE Troll formula quickly cleans, shines, and protects all types and colors of stainless steel surfaces, effectively eliminating fingerprints, haze, smudges, grease, streaks, and residue buildup. It leaves a brilliant, streak-free shine and creates a protective barrier that repels dirt and dust. Easy to use, simply wipe in the direction of the metal grain and buff with the included soft, dry cloth. This versatile cleaner is perfect for use on a wide range of stainless steel appliances and fixtures, including refrigerators, wine fridges, microwaves, ovens, stoves, grills, sinks, range hoods, and trash cans. Number 2. Traeger Grill's All-Natural Cleaner Grill. Traeger Grill's All-Natural Cleaner Grill is a high-quality, industrial-strength cleaning solution designed to keep your grill in top condition. Made in the United States, this non-toxic cleaner embodies Traeger's commitment to using only the finest materials in their accessories. As a trusted brand in the grilling industry, Traeger ensures that their products are built to withstand years of wood-fired grilling, making this cleaner a durable and reliable choice for grill maintenance. The all-natural formula effectively tackles tough grease and grime without harsh chemicals, ensuring a safe and thorough clean for your cooking surfaces. This cleaner is part of Traeger's comprehensive line of grilling accessories, which includes everything from spatulas and tongs to cast iron cookware and butcher paper. Number 3. Parker Bailey Grill Cleaner and Degreaser. Parker Bailey Grill Cleaner and Degreaser is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle tough, baked-on grease and food residue on both the inside and outside of your grill. This advanced formula BBQ cleaner is phosphate-free and streak-free, effectively dissolving and removing stubborn grime without leaving any residue behind. Safe for food prep surfaces, it ensures a clean, non-stick finish. The multi-purpose cleaner isn't limited to just grills. It's equally effective on ovens, stovetops, cookware, Traegers, and various hard surfaces, making it an essential tool for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. Easy to use, this heavy-duty spray cleaner wipes away effortlessly, leaving surfaces spotless. For tougher jobs, it can be paired with a metal scrubber or brush to clean grill grates or oven racks thoroughly. Number 4. Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner. Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner is a powerful super-strength gel formulated to tackle the toughest grill cleaning challenges. This biodegradable cleaner effectively removes caked-on food, baked-on deposits, carbon, and grease from your grill and grates, ensuring a thorough clean while being safe for use on food prep surfaces. The fast-acting formula quickly breaks down stubborn grease, making your cleaning process easier and more efficient. As an added benefit, this cleaner helps reduce smoke and flare-ups during grilling. Versatile and safe for use on various grill components, including metals, cooking grates, racks, drip pans, and both grill interiors and exteriors. Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner is an essential tool for maintaining your grill. However, it's important to note that this product should not be used on aluminum or faux stainless steel surfaces. Number 5. Kingsford Heavy Duty Spray. Kingsford Heavy Duty Spray is a powerful and versatile grill cleaner designed to tackle tough grease and burned-on food residue on both charcoal and gas grills. This aerosol spray-on cleaner not only helps maintain your grill's cleanliness, but also plays a crucial role in preventing corrosion by eliminating the chemical reactions that can damage your grill over time. Its effectiveness extends beyond grills, making it suitable for use on broilers, stainless steel surfaces, and more. The easy-to-use formula allows for quick and efficient cleaning, helping you get back to grilling in no time. To use, simply spray the cleaner from a distance of 9-12 inches. Let the foam work its magic for at least 30 minutes, and then wipe off with a wet cloth or sponge. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, Or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. And for any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.